Okay, so I did indeed decide to check if I have an update available. And I do have an update available. V76 is available for me. I'm currently on V74. V76 is finally available. For those of you guys that don't know, it's kind of rolls out in waves, so not everyone gets it at once. So some of you guys may already have it, some of you guys might not have it yet, but we are going to look at the release notes, okay? Because I like doing that with you guys regularly. I guess we'll see both release notes. Let's look at this first and then we'll go with this. Since this is 76.0 and this is 76.1. So let's see. Features will become available. Yeah, okay. Like I said, rolling updates, so it's not always instant. Meta Horizon Worlds is now integrated. Now, I'm assuming that means you can't uninstall Meta Horizon Worlds now. So that's one of the things. Love it or hate it, that's just how it is. Spatial windows in immersive apps. Windows launched from the universal menu can now be rearranged and moved around your space however you like when using an immersive application. Ah, okay. Okay. I mean, I thought we had a lot of that already, but I think that was more of a thing where it was one of those experimental features, and I guess now it's fully in the game. And then advertising ID for Horizon OS. Your advertising ID is a unique device indicator that app developers can use to show you more relevant ads on Meta Horizon OS. You can enable or disable your advertising ID at any time by going to Settings in your headset. Advertising IDs may not be available to everyone. Okay, and now let's go to the newest iteration. What it has. Bug fixes. Okay, so it fixes bugs and the stability and performance. Okay, so I hope that's true because I'm going to be perfectly honest. I have noticed like a bug here or there, like literally just when I turned on the headset before the update was available, my headset was flickering a little bit. So it stopped like maybe 5 seconds later, but still that's something I thought I'd point out, mention to you guys rather. And then improvement, general enhancements for a smoother user experience. Okay. Okay, and then it should upgrade to the latest version to enjoy these improvements. Okay, so it's not. Okay, so you know what this feels like to me? This feels like one of those incremental update type things. We're going to hit done. We're going to hit update now. Do not power off your headset till it updates. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to chat with you guys a little bit about my thoughts on this. My thoughts on this is, first of all, why did it do that? I don't know. Okay. My thoughts on this is that it seems like it's an incremental update. What I mean by that is it seems like v76 is like the update to prepare us for what's coming. You know, like a bridge gap update to make sure that all the ducks are in line, as it were, for future updates and whatnot. That's just what it seemed like to me. Let me know your thoughts on this comment section below. But hopefully stability and stuff does happen. And I'll be honest, I have seen images of some of the potential UI changes that might be coming in the future, and honestly kind of excited for them. But I digress. I am going to end it off here after we make sure we didn't miss anything with the release notes. No, these are the latest release notes. I wish it would tell us what improvements, but it said smoother user experience. So, yeah, I'm going to end it up here. Definitely let me know your thoughts. Comment section below. And if I see any relevant updates or whatnot, I will let you guys know. Like I said, I think this is just a basic change, but if it turns out it's a big UI change, I will keep you guys updated as well. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.